All right, we have the Zapateado from Sainz de la Masa. Beautiful piece, and it moves all over the neck. And you know, people tend to get into this, you know, very quick move around the neck because I guess it feels good to move your fingers fast, and it does not help you really with truly learning the piece and appreciating the flamenco basis of the form, right? So as you play it, I suggest practicing it very slowly. 2 is on the 5th string, B on the B, right? You have your G sharp on your E, on your G string, and you have your C sharp here, right? And you're playing the peripheral E's. So thumb, thumb, index, and then you chuck middle and ring, right? So again, first measure. And that's in 3/4, right? 1, 2, 3, and next we go into 6/8, which is quite characteristic of the Zapateado, right? So 1, 2, 3, right? 2, and then 3 and 4 are stacked. And then keep your pinky there on the 2nd string because you're going to slide it all the way from the 2nd fret to the 10th fret. Right, so you make a bar on the 7th, 2 is on the D sharp of the 3rd string, and your pinky is on the A. Right? And that's the second half of the 6/8. So if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you keep your pinky there, you're not going to get lost. But if you, and then you just do this, you have the panic attack of landing over here and not getting where you want to go, right? So again, use your guide fingers whenever possible. And then we have the 2nd line, measure 5. Starts innocently the very same way, and then 2 is going to be your guide finger. I'm going to change a little bit the fingerings that you have. You're going to slide 2 and 3 on the same strings, right? 6th string and 3rd string, so that 2 lands on the 5th fret and 3 lands on the C sharp on the 6th fret of the 3rd string. Yeah, 1 is grabbing that D sharp on the B string. So from here, right? Notice how 2 and 3 are still on the same strings, right? So take advantage of those common fingers. Here, I'm going to change the fingering just a bit. You'll go all the way up to a B sharp, which is nothing but a C. So that is over here on your 8th fret. I think I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, I flipped it around. So you have, which is very curious, right? You hear where with 2 and 3 on the 6th and 3rd string, over here, 3 is on the 4th string. So they're half stacked on the same fret. They're both on the 8th fret. 6th string, 4th string, right? And your index jumps over to the 4th string. Then slide over. Notice the disposition of my hand. So it's kind of leaning that way, and then I turn my hand to be forward. So it's backwards this way. I'm bringing my wing in, and then my wing is forward, right? So I flip things around. 4th string, 2nd string. Same note on the 4th string as I move my 2nd finger over, but now my hand is forward, and this is on the 2nd string. Then you have your bar, and you're back. But I see my next lesson. Get started with this, and we'll work on the next video.